If your prints are blurry or grainy, or if there is a misalignment of the text, probably you need to align the print head. Load a few sheets of paper in the printer. Press the Home button, if necessary. Press the arrow buttons to select Setup. Press the OK button. Press the arrow buttons and select Maintenance. Press the OK button. The monitor will show this. Press the arrow buttons and select Head Alignment. Press the OK button. Press Start button to print the alignment sheet. Don't stop the printer while it's printing the alignment sheet. Press the OK button. Check the printed pattern. There are 4 sets of pattern. Choose the pattern with the least noticeable streaks for each set. For the first, let's suppose is the 4. Using arrows, choose 4. Press OK. For the second, let's suppose is the 4. Using arrows, choose 4. Press OK. For the third, let's suppose is the 6. Using arrows, choose 6. Press OK. For the fourth, let's suppose is the 3. Using arrows, choose 3. Press OK. If it is difficult to choose a pattern, probably your printer has no alignment problems. The alignment is over. Press Stop to end the process, and return to the main menu.